Hi guys, it's Courtney-Ann here. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about business, finance, real estate, and just life in general. Today I'm back with another property tour and we are on University Crescent. The property we're touring today is valued at 22.5 million Jamaican dollars and it's 600 square feet with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Okay, so before we move on, I want to thank the developer Narcisse Holdings for this amazing property, and a special thanks to the realtor Miss Nadeen. You'll find her information on the screen and also in the description box below. So without further ado, let's begin the tour. Okay guys, so we are inside the property, and right as you enter the unit, we are inside the kitchen area. So the first thing I noticed, and you guys know you've seen this throughout the videos, the double sink. Okay, so you have one side where you can wash, one side where you can rinse, and this is very convenient because sometimes washing dishes can be a hassle and it can be a drag. Next, we actually have white cabinetry. You guys know I prefer dark cabinets. I believe some of the units on this property have dark cabinets, but this one is white, and I'm noticing stainless steel finishes as well. So I guess if you have either black or stainless steel appliances, it can work. I would prefer dark cabinets though. I do appreciate the countertop. It's very spacious. You guys know I like to cook, so this is adequate counter space for me to do my cooking videos and stuff like that.
Hey there, yes you, go subscribe to my cooking channel.
Once you exit the kitchen, you're actually into your living space, and I like the large tiling. It gives it that seamless look. It's not quite obvious, and they also make sure to bring the tiles up about 3 inches to kind of give a molding vibe that I like so much. And then after you exit the living space, we're actually going to be going into the laundry area. So this is your laundry space. And we actually have an area for hand washing, and then we also have a little smoke corner here as well for your washing machine. So I think this is very nice. Also, please note that the room has adequate ventilation, so you won't feel suffocated in here. You guys know I'm not a big fan of chores, so I appreciate a nice little window to just distract me from the whole drag of washing clothes and stuff like that. Next, we're going to be heading into the bedroom area. So like I said guys, this unit is actually 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. And I have a little surprise for you guys, because although it's a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, they did not miss on the closet storage. So come on into the bedroom with me. This bedroom is extremely spacious, okay? Adrian, I want you to get both corners of the room. And I like the shape of the room. It's not completely square, and so it kind of gives a little bit of aesthetics when you're actually putting in your decor. For me, I would have my entertainment set right over here, and if you notice, the walls already have sockets in place for that. And then we're going to be heading into the closet. So like I said, this closet is extremely spacious. It actually has 2 large shelves, and then there's actually storage for your suitcases up above. And then we actually have space to hang your clothes. So think of it this way. Suitcases up there, clothes hang here. I would fold some clothes and put here. My shoes can go under here, and I can still have additional storage in the corner. So once we're finished with that area, we're actually going to be going into the bathroom. But before I move on guys, please note that this complex actually has 24-hour security. So you and your loved ones are completely safe, and there's actually CCTV features as well. Now let's head on into the bathroom. So I forgot to mention that this bedroom actually has 2 entrances. So there are actually 2 doors. You have 1 door here and 1 door there. And then when you exit the bedroom and you're heading to the bathroom, just on your left, there's actually an additional storage closet in case you want to put your towels and your blankets and stuff like that. For me, I buy in bulk, so I definitely have a few bulk items in here. And then we're going to be going into the bathroom. So this bathroom, it actually has a walk-in shower, which I absolutely love, with stainless steel finishes. So this is how inside the shower looks. It's very spacious, and the toilet is also installed. If you notice, it's never been used. It still has the plastic on. And then we actually have our sink right here, I'd say this is a very spacious bathroom for an apartment. I like the tiling on the walls. I like the accent, the color schemes used in here. And then we're actually going to be exiting the bathroom, and then we're going to be going onto the balcony area. Yes, the apartment has a balcony. So let's go. Hi, welcome back. So this is the balcony space. So you can easily have 2 chairs out here with a coffee table, and you can relax out here. So come on, let me show you the view. So this is what the space is looking like. Adrian, can you step back to kind of give them the length of the balcony, please? Right. So this is an estimate of the length. I'd say this is about probably 15 feet or thereabout. And then just outside of the balcony, we actually have our pool area, which is down there. So yes guys, the complex has a beautiful pool at the back, which I'm going to be showing you shortly. And just to note, it also has a generator for the communal area, and you do get your own separate water meter. Okay, so we're going to wrap up the apartment tour, and then we're going to head downstairs and show you the pool. So let's go.